this video you can learn how to block IP addresses from WordPress site that keep spamming with comments. If this is the first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Log into your WordPress site and in the dashboard, under comments section, we can see there is lots of comments that are spamming our WordPress site by promoting unethical products or fake claim products. We can block such comments from our site by adding them in comment moderation section. So let's see how to add them. We can copy the IP addresses that spam our site. Next here, we need to click Settings tab in WordPress dashboard and paste them under Comments Moderation field in the discussion section of our WordPress site. And next save the changes. Here after this particular IP address person won't be able to add any comment on our WordPress site. Similarly, we can add other spammers' IP address and block them as well. I hope you liked this WordPress video process. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added.